Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to go through some of the top 5 best CFTC regulated Forex brokers. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy this video. Let's get into it. The CFTC, or the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, was designed to regulate the options and commodity futures markets by creating a competitive, financially stable, and transparent trading environment while protecting consumers. The main purpose of the CFTC is to regulate Forex brokers who provide services for various types of commodities, which include oil, precious metals, agricultural commodities, and other types of futures contracts. Now let's take a look at some of the top 5 best CFTC regulated Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have EasyMarkets. EasyMarkets is an online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, metals and indices. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, as well as the EasyMarkets Web platform and mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on standard, VIP and premium accounts with fixed spreads, lower minimum deposits, over-the-phone customer support, a variety of trading safety and insight features, and more. EasyMarkets also provides their very own educational academy, which features trading courses, their very own educational video series, as well as a variety of eBooks that cover topics such as technical analysis, trading psychology, guides in platform functionality, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional education. At number 4 on our list, we have Hot Forex. Hot Forex is another online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, metals, energies, indices, and shares. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, premium, zero spread, auto, and HF copy accounts with lower leverage, lower minimum deposits, variable spreads, and more. Hot Forex also provides their very own educational panels, which cover in-depth Forex trading educational videos, training courses, and webinars which you can sign up to at any time you like. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have XTB. XTB is another online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, indices, commodities, stock CFDs, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and pro accounts with up to 1,500 tradable instruments, lower spreads, automated trading, free account setups, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, XStation 5, and XStation Mobile, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. XTB also provides their very own education center, which features basic, intermediate, expert, and advanced courses in financial trading that delve into topics such as introductions, lessons in platform functionality, and a variety of others if you are looking to expand your education. Coming in at number 2 on our list, we have Pepperstone. Pepperstone is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and Razor 0.0 accounts with up to 10 base currency options, lower leverage, lower minimum account opening balance, expert advisors, and more. Featured platforms for live accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Pepperstone also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, a video library, various trading guides and courses, webinars you can sign up to, as well as their very own beginner's guide section, which covers a variety of educational topics for you to browse through whenever you please. And coming in at number 1 on our list of the top 5 best CFTC regulated Forex brokers, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's Web Trader, and for all your mobile trading needs, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, and more for you to browse through as you please. Avatrade have also won multiple awards such as the Best Forex Broker, the Best Trading Experience, the Best Bitcoin and CFD Broker, the #1 Affiliate Program, among many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online, fully regulated financial broker. And those are the top 5 best CFTC regulated Forex brokers on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.